जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 22nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that there are jnanis. They approach me. They seek me alone. They just want me alone. That means their fruit is myself. Now I have to tell you the greatness of the fruit. That means the greatness of myself. Arjuna, I am Paramatma. I am pervaded all over the entire Srishti, and every entity in this entire Srishti is in me. I am known as Paramapurusha because I am all over. I am known as Paramatma. Myself can be attained by those jnanis only by unshakable devotion, only by undivided devotion. They have to narrow down entire of their devotion upon me. Only with bhakti I can be attained by those jnanis. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon the glory of himself and how he can be attained by us. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Purushaha saparah partha bhaktya labhyastu ananyaya yasyantasthani bhutani yena sarvam idam tatam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, third Skandha, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Srimannarayana saying to Chaturmukha Brahma like this, O Vedagarbha Brahmadeva, with the help of the knowledge, the wisdom that I gave you, and Sarva Vedamayena idam, with Sampurna Vedajnanam, you now continue doing Prajaha Sruja Yadha Purvam, continue doing Srishti as and how it was existing in previous kalpam. Like this, Srimannarayana Pradhana Purusheswaraha Vyajyedam. Pradhana Purusha Srimannarayana gave his orders to Chaturmukha Brahma, and then Paramatma disappeared from there. Maitreya saying these things to Vidura. Then Vidura is asking, O Maitreya, as and how Paramatma ordered, how Brahmadeva did his Srishti, can you please tell me? When Vidura asked like that, now Maitreya saying like this, O Vidura, after Paramatma gave his orders, Brahmadeva Divyam Varshasatam Tapaha, he did 100 Devata years tapasya, and he kept his mind pure and stable. And then the lotus in which he was sitting, it was moving here and there, because there is water under the lotus, and with the heavy velocity of wind, that lotus was moving here and there. Then Chaturmukha Brahma, with his Jnana Balam, the strength of wisdom, he has squeezed and he has taken entire of Vayu and water inside him. And then with Paramatma's inspiration, Chaturmukha Brahma, he made the same lotus in which he was sitting into 14 lokas, Dvisaptadha. He divided the same lotus in which he was sitting into 14 worlds. Then he brought out Devatas, Manushya's, Tiryak. Tiryak means all the animals. Sthavaras. Sthavaras means trees. Like that, he brought all those souls out in 4 categories. Then he created Jnanendriya Karmendriyas. For Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, he made the same lotus in which he was sitting as this entire Srushti. And Chaturmukha Brahma, he started performing every of his activity as service of Paramatma, as service to Paramatma. Because of that, he became Parameshti, Vipakaha Parameshtyasau. Because he got matured to serve Paramatma through every of his activity, he became renowned as Parameshti. Like that, when Maitreya said to Vidura, now Vidura is asking, "Oh Maitreya, Srimannarayana has taken the kalam, the time, as his body. You told me that fact. Now, can you tell me the very nature of that time, the kalam?" For which again Maitreya saying that, "Oh Vidura, Paramatma, he takes Prakriti, Jiva, Kalam, 3 of them along with him. And with those 3 of entities, Paramatma becomes this entire Srushti. Paramatma is the cause of this Srushti, and Paramatma is the effect of the Srushti. Effect is Paramatma, cause is also Paramatma. And Kalam is Paramatma's Sariram, body. That is why Paramatma is known as Kala Sarira. Not only that, Kalam itself is known as Paramatma." Like that, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 22nd sloka. Purushaha Saparah Pardha Bhaktya Labhyastu Ananyaya Yasyantasthani Bhutani Yena Sarvam Idam Tatam. Purushassa Parah Pardha Bhaktya Labhyastvananyaya Yasyantasthani Bhutani Yena Sarvam Idam Tatam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.